try the Texas fish sauce. They got number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is a 45% protein. That means more fish, more anchovy fish. And number 2 is the less anchovy fish, more salt. So family, you try one, the first one. You just hold and suck it. Just suck it. When you're done, just put it inside here. Yeah, put that inside the banana.
So that's the low
Number
protein.
1. Yeah, good more protein. Okay, you try number 2. Yeah, number 2. Hai. Yeah. Bỏ mình mua chai number 1 vậy mà nó thấy ngon.
Ngon.
Có hương vị của tụi em ở
Very
đây.
much so.
So okay, family. So which one you prefer?
For the second one.
You like the salt?
One barrel, they get about 4,000-5,000 liters a year.